Howdy y'all. Damn, it's bright. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to get rid of this atrocious fucked up lip. As you guys can see, these Californian driveways, man, they really like to fuck up my lip. So today we're gonna be replacing it with, now you guys may or may not be happy about this, but I'm gonna be replacing this lip with an eBay lip. Now, hear me out. Hear me out. Look, y'all already know me. I fuck with carbon fiber. It's nice. The reason why I went ahead and decided to get an eBay lip is because it's gonna get busted. This lip and future lips, they're gonna get busted. And I'm not trying to spend hundreds and thousands on carbon fiber lips, even though they look really nice. I'm not trying to do that when I could just replace it affordably with a polyurethane or a plastic lip. So I had a couple in mind. I don't know if you guys heard of Sabre Designs. That lip looks insane. It looks so fucking aggressive. However, it does hang pretty low, and I wanted to give an eBay lip a try just to see how good it actually works. So today we're gonna be doing that. Here we have it. This is a box with the lip inside of it. Kind of deja vu moment, am I right? So this is going to be the eBay lip. I have not opened this yet, so I do not know what condition this is in. You guys are gonna see it with me. Some dog shit, of course. Alrighty, let's put this away. Okay, now, again, this is an eBay lip, okay? So it's not gonna be perfect, but I figured why not give it a try? Okay. Not bad. This is going to be our new lip. If I'm being completely honest, it doesn't really look like they cared to drill these in properly. I mean, this doesn't even look even. I mean, hey, it's an eBay lip, so you get what you get and you don't throw a fit, right? So just examining the finish and just seeing how well they actually did this product, I'd give it a good a 6 out of 10, just because they could have smoothened out the sharp edges right here, and they could have taken a little bit more time in drilling these more efficiently. And take a look, you got all this stuff going on. You know, like, they didn't really care to take this off. So I mean, this is what happens when you order stuff from eBay. So I'm not gonna bitch about it. We're gonna go ahead and slap this on and see how it looks. But first, obviously, we're gonna have to take out the old one. So I'm gonna put this to the side right now. I'm gonna take off the front bumper. Alrighty, y'all. After 9 decades, I got the bumper off. Now, as you guys can see, the front lip is completely demolished. And if you wanna see, this is what it looks like from the bottom. This is how torn it is from the bottom. So we're gonna be taking this off and we're gonna be installing the new lip on this. If you guys don't remember when I installed the lip for the first time, I was struggling. Only because the access points to drill, I mean, it was kind of hard because, okay, look, like right here, it's fine. Like the access points to drill and mount on the lip. However, once you started going in here and like you could see it's deep in there, I mean, it's a tight space. So I'm hoping that through the experience I had last time, I could do this installation a lot better compared to how I did it last time. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with taking off the old lip and then we'll go on from there. All right, guys, so while I use her as my slave to undo all the nuts and bolts, I just discovered
I discovered it. I was trying to tell him, but he said no, that's not what it's for.
To be fair, I didn't know what the fuck she was talking about. I was just too locked in, okay? But these look like they're pre-drilled already. That's gonna make this so much fucking easier. So, yeah, guys, pretty happy about that. I'm not gonna have to use a drill. This is, you can see how dirty it got. Look at all that shit. How you guys liking the no bumper look, huh? Jesus Christ, I forgot there's a 3M on this. Here's what remains on top of this side. We got one more nut and bolt we gotta take off. Like I said, like I mentioned, I was locked in, so I didn't hear my lady, but looks like those are already pre-drilled. When we mounted on the HT Auto's lip, we had to drill holes right here onto the actual like front part of the bumper, but looks like for this lip, we're gonna be drilling it into these holes right here. Now, I don't know how fortified that's gonna be. Let me just show you guys. Without any 3M provided, if the lip is just gonna be mounted through these holes right here, I would assume that this is gonna be like hanging down a little bit. That just means we gotta get 3M tape. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoy my videos. I hope they do. All right, so as you guys can see, the hardware is out. Now for this lip specifically, they gave us their own hardware, so we're just gonna be using those because I don't think these small little tiny bolts are gonna fit through right here very well. It's hard to believe I have a lip off of this thing. I've had a lip on it for so long, and just seeing it with the stock form, it honestly looks so ugly. So let me lift this real quick. What we're gonna try to do is align it as best as we can. Jesus. Holy shit. This might be more aggressive than I really thought it was gonna be. This is gonna be very interesting. This is gonna break in like 2 weeks. But like I said, it's an eBay lip. We haven't fully mounted this on yet. The finishes aren't that great, but oh my God, this thing sticks out like it's a race car. I mean, that's what I'm planning for this car. Anyways, let's go ahead and just get the hardware that was provided for this, and then we're gonna mount it and see how it looks. Actually, guys, before we mount on the front lip, my uncle was kind enough to give me a file because, as you guys can see here, like I told you, the finishes aren't that great. So we're gonna sand it down just a tiny bit, or file it down, or whatever you call it. We're just gonna smoothen the fucking rough edges, okay? And then we'll put on the lip. Stop recording. So we ended up sanding down the little rough edges so that it could look like a little bit cleaner of a fit. This looks so aggressive. I was not expecting it to be like this. I was not. So this is the hardware. Holy fuck, okay. It's a lot of shit they gave us. Why? Wait, why? For what? All right, I could tell this, and then there's a washer, and then there's a nut. Now, safely assume the nuts are gonna be on the inside part here. Wait a minute, what's going on here? Hang on. Oh, okay. Everybody calm down. All right, y'all. First nut and bolt coming in. We're making history here, folks. eBay lip. What millimeter is this? It's gotta be a 10, right? Alrighty, y'all. My name isn't It's Been Slow for nothing. It's because I'm slow and forgot that we need 3M tape. So, yeah, guys. We're gonna head out and get some 3M tape, and we'll be right back. Alrighty, y'all, we're back with the 3M tape. Thank God we only put 3 bolts on it. So we got the lip back off. I'm gonna show you guys where I'm gonna put this 3M tape. I'm thinking of putting the 3M tape right here along this area on the inside. Now we wanna make sure that this 3M is sticking as hard as it possibly can, because we don't want this to come off. Y'all know what I'm saying? Starting about right here. I don't know why. This 3M is kind of shit, but you know what, it'll do. Now, if worst comes to worst, and let's say it doesn't stick well enough, we could just undo it and we'll get some like God strength fucking 3M tape. There you guys have it. This is the new front lip from eBay. I keep forgetting, this is an eBay lip, guys. I don't know how long this is gonna last. I don't know how long this lip's gonna last, I'm gonna be honest. This thing's insane. We're gonna go ahead and clean up a little bit, and we're gonna put this on. This sticks out a lot more than the HT Auto's front lip. In my opinion, this thing just looks so aggressive. Let's see how long this one lasts. I hope it lasts a good while. I'm not trying to break lips for a living, but I mean, you could already tell this is a lot more aggressive. I keep saying that, but it really is. So yeah, guys, let me pull it out and show you guys. Alrighty, y'all, so we officially have the lip on. We're gonna leave now. I don't know how much more far out this lip goes compared to the previous one. I'm hoping it doesn't scrape. I'm hoping it doesn't scrape when I pull out this driveway. I honestly think this lip looks nice. I'm glad I went for an eBay lip. Now, I know a lot of people are probably gonna be like, ugh, you're putting garbage on your car, and I think so too. I'm just too scared to break an expensive lip. As much as I want really nice carbon fiber lips or Sabre design front lip, like I really want that one, but it's just, I'm broke. I don't want any expensive lip. I want one, but I also don't. Well, anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This isn't really a normal video I usually would do. I want to try something new, and I figured, hey, maybe people want to know if an eBay lip is actually worth it. In my opinion, I mean, it's mainly aesthetics for me, but I think it looks nice. And if you want to save a couple bucks, I recommend an eBay lip. I like this one very, very much. And let's just pray I don't bust it anytime soon. So there you have it, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to subscribe, like, you know, it'll help my channel grow, so eventually I get a shop and do more fun stuff for you guys. Other than that, see you guys next time.